Hello roomies, welcome back to my channel and we'll be continuing the lace series. Before we go ahead and get started, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification button. So let's get right into it. So the first thing you want to go ahead and do is get a spray bottle with water only and start wetting the hair. This is just to ensure that the hair isn't dry and brittle when you start putting the dye on. Right after that, what you're going to go ahead and do is part the hair into 4 sections, and then we'll move on to the next step. So after you separate the hair in 4 sections, you're going to take your mixing bowl, your 40 volume developer, and your BW2 bleaching powder. And you are going to mix them in your mixing bowl. And you'll be looking for a consistency that is creamy, not thick, and not watery. And you will get something like this. So after you mixed it together, the next thing to do is just take random pieces from each 4 sections and just start applying the mixture. Before that, go ahead and make sure that the hair is damp. If not, go ahead and use your spray bottle to get it nice and moist and damp. Then you're going to get a Denman brush or a paddle brush, whichever one you have, and brush it through to make sure that you have no tangles. And I will be back with you for the final results. So we are back, and this is after me co-washing the hair with only conditioner. Next, I'm going to use my argan oil leave-in conditioner and use this throughout the hair, and use my Denman brush or paddle brush, whichever you have, to comb it out and then scrunch up the curls afterwards. I have to say that this hair did take bleach really well. It didn't damage the hair at all. It was soft, maybe even softer from the time it came out of the package. And that is all that was done to this wig. Now, I will have a updated review on this hair most likely next week, just giving y'all the ins and outs, how it's been holding up, everything. Next week it'll make a full month since I've had this in my head. I did just show you how much hair came out. I'm not sure if that was from when I pre-plucked it, but that's all the hair that did come out during the whole bleaching and washing process. But that is all for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. See you in my next one. Bye.